Aloe vera has been dubbed the plant of immortality by the ancient Egyptians, and for good reason. While many of us know it's great for soothing sunburns, there's so much more to this incredible plant. Let's jump right in. Internal benefits. Did you know that consuming aloe vera can actually benefit your digestion? The gel inside the leaves contains a wealth of enzymes that aid in breaking down sugars and fats, making your digestive system run more smoothly. Plus, aloe vera juice is packed with vitamins like B, C, E, and folic acid. It's like a natural multivitamin. Regular consumption can lead to clearer skin from the inside out by detoxifying your body. Skincare secrets. We all know aloe vera is great for sunburns, but did you know it can also help with acne? Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling, while natural antiseptics in the gel fight bacteria. For an extra boost, you can mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of tea tree oil to make a powerful acne-fighting mask. Hair care. If you're struggling with dandruff or an itchy scalp, aloe vera might just be your new best friend. Its antifungal properties can help reduce dandruff, while its enzymes promote healthy hair growth by removing dead skin cells that clog hair follicles. Apply aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it off. Dental health. Here's one benefit that might surprise you. Aloe vera is great for your teeth and gums. It helps reduce plaque and can even alleviate gum inflammation. Look for toothpaste that contains aloe vera for a natural way to keep your smile bright. Immune system boost. Regular consumption of aloe vera can also give your immune system a powerful boost. The plant contains polysaccharides, which enhance the functioning of your immune system and help your body fend off illness. Weight loss, trying to shed a few pounds? Aloe vera can help with that too. Its natural laxative properties aid digestion and help detoxify the body, making it easier to lose weight when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Aloe vera isn't just a pretty plant. It's a powerhouse of benefits that can improve your health inside and out. Have you tried aloe vera for any of these uses? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.